Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you an approach to quickly finding lots of papers about a certain topic, and this approach depends on finding a key paper and then finding out who cites that key paper. Now you may be interested in molecular machines, and if you're interested in molecular machines you may have come across the name of Ben Feringa, and you may know that one of the reasons that he won a Nobel Prize is because he developed a nanocar. So maybe the paper where the first description of that nanocar is going to be a good paper to start a literature search on. So this is the Wikipedia site describing the life and research of Ben Feringa, and within that page we're going to quickly find whether we can find something on that nanocar. And what we see is that there are two hits, and the second one critically has a reference. So we take that reference 11, and this is a paper, and the fact that it ended up as one of the papers related to the Nobel Prize on Professor Feringa's website shows you that that is probably going to be an important paper. So that's the title of the paper, and what I've done is I have put the title of that paper in a search on Scopus already. So this is the outcome of a search on Scopus for this particular paper, and the key thing that I'm now going to look at is this the right paper? Yes, it is the right paper, but the key thing that I'm now going to look at is the cited by column over here. And in the cited by column you can see that this paper has been cited 469 times since 2011. So if I now click the cited by number, what happens is that you get a list of all those research papers that have cited Professor Feringa's paper. So this is immediately going to be a very interesting list of papers, because they're all going to be interested, or at least they have a reason to cite the nanocar, and that is potentially because these people are interested in molecular machines as well. Now, if we scroll through this, we can see that every year there are around about 50, I guess, papers on average that cite this particular publication. There are a lot. We can go through this. Well, we see some locomotion of C60 based nano machines. That could be very interesting. We can scroll through this and we find all the latest literature on people who are interested in molecular machines. But we can also cite this list itself by the number of citations. So if I now go to cited by highest, I now sort this list by the papers that cited the paper on the nanocar that got the most citations themselves. And now you see that in 2015 there was an article in Chemical Reviews that looked at artificial molecular machines that itself has been cited actually more than the original paper. So what you now immediately see is that we have identified, by going to a key paper, we have identified a second key paper, a second key review in this case, that will give us a lot of information about molecular machines. You can scroll a little bit further, but the key message of this video is hopefully for you that if you find a key paper and you check who cited that key paper, that is going to open up a world of recent literature that is relevant to the topic that you are interested in. So hopefully you found this helpful. Good luck with your literature searches.